This is Brain Lion Institute, episode 79. Willpower is a short-term tool. Why forcing works until it doesn't? Willpower is often praised as the solution. Just push through. Just commit. Just be stronger. Biologically, willpower is a stress response. It borrows energy from the future to solve something now. When the nervous system senses urgency, dopamine is released for mobilization. Short-term action, immediate output, temporary override. This is why willpower feels powerful at first, but it is expensive. Willpower bypasses safety. It ignores capacity. It assumes recovery will happen later. For a nervous system that has survived threat, this feels familiar and dangerous. So after a period of pushing, the body responds. Fatigue, resistance, collapse, avoidance. Not because you failed, but because the system protected itself. Willpower does not create sustainability. It delays reckoning. Long-term change does not come from force. It comes from permission. When effort feels safe, action no longer needs pressure. Motivation does not arrive as intensity. It arrives as willingness. This is why pushing eventually stops working. Not because you are weak, but because your system is honest. Willpower is a bridge. Safety is the foundation. Next episode. What sustainable motivation actually feels like. Thank you.